there is an apple.
Shh, it's sleeping now. Soon, Magic Finger is going to wake it up.
Here is a grape. Now I'm throwing a slice of watermelon. And cherries. Here is a kiwi. And finally, I'm throwing a slice of orange.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony. Stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step and with the girls.
Magic fingers! Ta-da! Let's paint! Red. Fruits are so healthy.
Father and I went down to camp along with Captain Gooding, and there we saw the men and boys.
Do you love to eat fruits?
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music
Light
and the
green.
step and with the girls be handy.
I love fruits so much.
And there was Captain Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will
Yellow.
not ride without them.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step and with the girls be handy.
Brown. Red.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony. Stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step and with
Brown.
the girls be handy.
These fruits look so delicious. Green. Purple. These fruits are so colorful. Brown. Light green. on next video.